Hi everyone, on my channel Vlog of NVK. Today I am creating this lip look in this video, which is neither red or nor pink. So let's start. At first I'm using a light brown lip liner.
I guess you're really good at saying what you mean. Suppress my feelings, 'cause I know what's best for me. Feel short of confidence, my hands begin to shake. I thought I knew you, but I barely knew your name. Porcelain stuck to your teeth, you got everything, and I can't believe how I've been let down again and again and again. And I'm paranoid, what's under my skin? I got careless eyes to let you back in. Why do I do this again and again and again?
Now I'm using a pink lipstick shade. Lip liner is always a game changer, so it doesn't matter what kind of pink shade you are using, but it should be lighter than the lip liner. After application of lipstick, I'm reapplying my lip liner.
Porcelain stuck to your teeth, you got porcelain under your skin, and I'm all for it again and again and again. For someone you don't even know what you could have done to tell you the truth.
Hope you definitely like this. Don't forget to like, share and comment.